Scout Space's Owl sensor and Blue Origin's Blue Ring. Revolutionizing U.S. Space Force's SDA mission. The world's top space technology companies have teamed up to bring a game-changing sensor to the U.S. Space Force's mission. Scout Space's Owl sensor is set to play a crucial role in supporting the Space Domain Awareness SDA objectives. For the U.S. Space Force, scheduled for launch in the spring, the Owl sensor will be integrated with Blue Origin's first Blue Ring maneuverable spacecraft. This collaboration promises to advance the way we observe and track objects in the cosmos. The Owl sensor is engineered to improve real-time monitoring, classification, and evaluation of spatial entities by incorporating cutting-edge optical detection, AI-powered onboard data processing, and autonomous decision-making features. This technology delivers comprehensive space intelligence, reinforcing the U.S. Space Force's goals in maintaining control over space domains. When the Owl sensor becomes operational on the Blue Ring spacecraft, it will autonomously observe and analyze space objects, offering enhanced SDA capabilities specifically within the geosynchronous Earth orbit GEO region. It's crucial to note that the U.S. currently employs several technologies for GEO SDA, including the National Reconnaissance Office Silent Barker satellites, Northrop Grumman's Geosynchronous Space Situational Awareness Program satellites, and Lockheed Martin's Space Fence radar. Looking ahead, the Space Force is also on track to deploy the Deep Space Advanced Radar Capability, DARC radar, in key locations including Australia, the United Kingdom, and Texas over the next few years. Blue Ring is an advanced spacecraft capable of carrying over 8,000 pounds of payload, operating across different orbits, and executing tasks such as satellite refueling, deploying satellites, maneuvering payloads between orbits, and data communication. The first Blue Ring mission next spring is set to demonstrate the unique synergy between Blue Ring's versatile maneuverability and on-orbit services, alongside the Owl sensor's prowess in detecting and following satellites, space debris, and other orbital objects, often in some of the most challenging environments in space. Blue Origin's Blue Ring, first flight with AI-powered space surveillance sensor. In a groundbreaking announcement, Blue Origin is set to launch an AI-driven space surveillance sensor aboard the inaugural flight of its Blue Ring spacecraft. This exciting collaboration with Scout Space, a company dedicated to enhancing orbital domain awareness and ensuring safety in space, will see Scout's Owl sensor as the first payload integrated into the Blue Ring vehicle. Scheduled for a spring 2026 launch, this mission aims to transport the Owl sensor to Geostationary Transfer Orbit, GTO, where it will then transition to operational activities in Geostationary Orbit, GEO. This is a significant step in advancing our understanding of space and ensuring safety in an increasingly crowded orbital environment. The Blue Ring spacecraft is a modular satellite bus designed to accommodate multiple missions, capable of supporting up to 13 payloads across various ports. With a remarkable capacity to carry up to 8,800 pounds, 4,000 kilograms of cargo, it's engineered for high maneuverability. This spacecraft is not only versatile for different destinations within Earth's orbit, but is also equipped for deep space missions, including potential journeys to the Moon and Mars. The launch will utilize Blue Origin's New Glenn rocket, which successfully lifted off for the first time in January 2025. That initial mission was crucial as it deployed the Pathfinder version of the Blue Ring, aimed at validating the spacecraft's mechanics and avionics. The upcoming integration of the Owl sensor will mark the platform's first operational flight, showcasing its capabilities in real-world applications. The mission in 2026 is designed to demonstrate the full potential of the Blue Ring spacecraft, while the Owl sensor plays a vital role in supporting national security and commercial interests in space situational awareness. Paul Everts, the Senior Vice President of Blue Origin's In-Space Systems Business Unit, emphasized the importance of this integration, stating, "Integrating Scout's Owl sensor on this first mission marks a significant step forward in advancing SDA capabilities and underscores our commitment to supporting the nation's mission requirements." The Owl sensor is engineered to detect, track, and characterize various objects in orbit, including satellites, debris, and other space detritus, from considerable distances. This capability is essential for supporting space domain awareness initiatives. Powered by artificial intelligence, the OWL sensor can autonomously identify and classify potential threats, or anomalies, enhancing our ability to monitor and protect our assets in space. This mission will also align with the U.S. Space Force's objectives to maintain superiority in space, as it highlighted in the Blue Origin release. The partnership between Blue Origin and Scout Space underscores a growing emphasis on national security and the U.S. strategic dominance in space, especially in light of increasing orbital congestion and geopolitical tensions surrounding space resources. Scout Space CEO Philip Hobbersmoot remarked, "We've always believed that no single company can bring the best space superiority capabilities to the market alone. We're thrilled to work with Blue Origin to bring Scout's secure solutions on board this historic first Blue Ring mission. As we look forward to this exciting development, it raises important questions about the future of space exploration and security. How do you feel about the increasing involvement of private companies in national security efforts in space? Join the conversation in our space forums, where you can discuss the latest missions, skywatching events, and more. If you have any news tips, corrections, or comments, feel free to reach out at community@space.com. Josh Dinner, the dedicated staff writer for Spaceflight at space.com, has been passionately covering the realm of science and space exploration since 2016. His expertise includes the evolution of NASA's commercial spaceflight partnerships and crewed missions, as well as various NASA science missions. At his spare time, Josh enjoys building one-to-one 44-scale model rockets and human-flown spacecraft. You can find his launch photography on Instagram and his website, and follow him on X, where he often shares his thoughts in haiku. Blue Origin's Blue Ring mission, a new era in space domain awareness. Blue Origin is set to embark on an exciting journey with its inaugural Blue Ring mission, aimed at enhancing our understanding of space domain awareness. Announced on July 24, 2025, this mission will feature a specialized sensor developed by Scout Space, known as the OWL sensor. Scheduled for launch in the spring of 2026, this collaboration marks a significant step forward in monitoring and managing activities in space. The integration of Scout Space's OWL sensor with the Blue Ring multi-mission spacecraft is a pivotal aspect of this mission. This sensor is designed to provide critical data that will help in tracking objects and activities in space, which is increasingly important as the number of satellites and space debris continues to rise. Vivian Machi, the military space editor for Aviation Week, who is based in Los Angeles, highlights the importance of this mission in the broader context of aerospace and defense. For those interested in staying updated on developments like this, the details of Blue Origin's first Blue Ring mission to support space domain awareness are published in Aerospace Daily and Defense Report. This publication is part of the Aviation Week Intelligence Network AWIN Market Briefing, accessible to members. If you are already a member of AWIN or your company subscribes to Aerospace Daily and Defense Report, you can easily log in with your existing credentials. However, if you are not yet a member, now is a great time to explore how you can gain access to vital market intelligence and data that will keep you informed about the latest happening in the aerospace and defense sectors. But here's where it gets controversial. As space becomes more crowded, how do we balance exploration with safety? What measures should be taken to ensure that space remains a safe environment for all? Share your thoughts in the comments below.